Identifying your skills impartially and realistically is fundamental in building a durable career plan. The idea here is to help you with this groundwork by showing you a simple and well-structured approach to describe your skills and strengths. Let's begin with 2 steps. First, start by listing your professional and personal experiences. If you have a CV, you can use it to trace your work history. Look carefully at what you have created and achieved. Then, add a skills and proof column. Step 2. Going down your list, pinpoint which skills you have used. Are they knowledge-based, hard skills, or soft skills? For each of your experiences, try to determine 3 or 4 skills. Make sure you include proof. Do this by adding in the proof column results that can be showed or explained. This phase spent analyzing your skills is essential in building a plan that is both coherent and sound. It will help you develop your professional plan and make choices based on what you do well and what you enjoy doing. Now, let's head to the next chapter for steps 3 and 4.